1 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over North Las Vegas Airport, or over Las Vegas, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs and trees. Locations impacted include Las Vegas, North Las Vegas, Caliente, Nellis Air Force Base, downtown Las Vegas, Lone Mountain, The Strip, East Las Vegas, Summerlin, Spring Valley, Paradise, North Las Vegas Airport and Stratosphere Tower.